I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by jumping straight into the game menu and activating photo mode. This saves time and locks camera controls. Once done, hide the HUD so nothing obstructs your shot, and make sure input sensitivity is lowered for precise framing. You want smooth pan and tilt. Use the on-screen reticle to line up the main subject. Finally, enable depth and exposure controls immediately so you can adjust lighting and focus without leaving photo mode. Now refine composition by changing focal length and camera angle, move closer or switch to a longer lens for tighter portraits. While doing that, change aperture to control depth of field. Wider aperture isolates subjects, smaller gives more context. Make incremental exposure and ISO adjustments to avoid blown highlights, and shift white balance to keep colors natural. As you tweak, use on-screen grid and rule of thirds guides to balance elements, and lock focus once the most important detail is sharp. Finish by applying final filters and subtle vignetting to guide the eye. Less is usually better for preserving detail. Save a preset or export a high-quality file so you can re-edit without repeating steps. If the camera becomes unresponsive, first try resetting photo mode controls or toggling HUD. If that fails, reload the scene or quick restart the game to clear state glitches. Finally, review images at native resolution to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.